Hey you guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and thumbs up the video. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay. I got a box from Macy's. Doo-doo. Let's see what your girl got today. Let's see what your girl got. Let's see what your girl got. Oh, it's in a bag. Oh, it's on hangers. Whoa, they're hanging on hangers. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, it's even got a receipt attached. Oh, wow. That's huge. I've never got anything from Macy's on hangers in the mail. Oh, and the receipt is taped on here, so I can just take it right on back to the store if I need to. So let's see what your girl got. It's 4 items. I think I ordered 6 items. So the other package I think comes tomorrow. Okay. Ooh, heavy. Let me stand up. Oh, I did order the right thing. I got this. And ironically, I have one on now that I got last year. But this is the new one. I got black. Oh, and I got the pants. And I got the pants. Oh, so I did order the right one. Oh, it's cute. Too cute. All right, I'll try it on. Let you know what I think. Peace out.